morning students. Today first I will discuss about the questions that is based on your previous video. Define the following. Database. A database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed and updated. Computer databases typically contain aggregations of data, records or files containing information about sales, transactions or interactions with specific customers. Table. A table is composed of records, or you can say a database table is composed of records and fields that hold data. Tables are also called data sheets. Each table in a database holds data about a different but related subject. What is primary key? A primary key, also called a primary keyword, is a key in a relational database that is unique for each record. It is a unique identifier such as a driver license number, telephone number including area code or vehicle identification number VIN. A relational database must always have one and only one primary key. Primary keys typically appear as columns in relational database tables. Next, the extension of Access 2016 files is .accdb. Next, a field is a column in a table. Now, I am going to teach you how will you use criteria in query. First, you should know what is criteria in query. To filter the query result, you can create criteria. Criteria are specifications that dictate which records will be included. It acts like a filter option that filters out certain records. If the records meet that criteria, it is included in the results. First, using text criteria. Okay. While using criteria, you can specify a text string as a criterion. It can contain multiple words including punctuation and spacing, but you must enclose it in quotation marks. For example, you can use the query to find out the list of members who are paying by credit card. Okay. How will you do this? Open the query in design view. I have already opened in design view. Click in the criteria field. Okay. Then type the data that you want to view. Suppose I want to see name S. Okay. ST or S, taking S. Okay. In the in this view, you can see what you can see whatever you want. Now what will you do? Open the query in design view. Okay. Then click in the criteria field. Okay. Then you can see here, type the data that you want to view. Okay. First you will select table, member, then here you can see address, then what will you do? Then here you can take member again, you can select card, okay, mode, then here again you will choose this one, then workout, member, then you can select member name. Okay, now you can see, click on run button to see the result. Okay, there is no data. Here you can see in student information table, you can see there are huge amount of data, means so many names you can see here. Okay, now next we will learn about how will you use wildcards in query. Okay, again have to go to query design. Homework for today is question number 1. What is query in MS Access? Question number 2. How many types of query in MS Access? Write their names. Question number 3. How will you create query in design view? Question number 4. What is the use of criteria in query design? Thank you.